Urban flights lack infrastructure, undefined paths and rules. FAA and NASA seek solutions for drone and vehicle vertical takeoffs and landings. Existing aviation structures prioritize safety for long airport travels. Urban air mobility structures focus on low altitude, frequent routes connecting numerous new aerodromes and diverse flight sectors. eVertiSKY's flexible two-part strategy incorporates building eco-friendly vertiports while connecting a value chain for services, workforce, and economic development supported by a premium operating system for urban flight planning and implementation within commercial low-altitude airspace. We help cities identify landing sites, strategize flight routes, implement world-class vertiports, establish and optimize the transportation infrastructure that can support high-volume activity required for safe, efficient urban air travel. We prioritize facilitating UAM flights by improving customer engagement zones, designating optimal ground takeoff and landing locations, and managing airspace with defined routes suited to the operations of cargo, passenger, and last-mile delivery of commercial urban air mobility operations. It is in the last mile that the eVertiSKY's Drone Services app places the benefits of urban air mobility at the user's fingertips. As regulations and trends in drone autonomy evolve, the eVertiSKY Drone Services app is poised to meet public safety demands and transition into a supporting role for cargo and passenger services, perfectly syncing with advancing urban air mobility. Our renowned architecture team has clinched multiple awards and is leading the path of innovation in urban air mobility airspace development and design with a commercial relationship with NASA. eVertiSKY's open-source software revolutionizes urban air traffic management using a unique four-dimensional trajectory-based operation approach. Prioritizing safety and efficiency, while addressing complex challenges, our blueprint optimizes cities' investments in urban air mobility to support their vision for economic growth and innovation. Our platform harmonizes urban flight, turning the city into the brain via the UAM SDA City Kernel. The companion planning tools, the UAM City Template and UAM City Sim apps, offer fingertip access, location optimization, and virtual flight scenario testing. We are an acclaimed team specializing in aerodrome design and software-defined airspace, integrating cutting-edge, award-winning innovations in the commercial low-altitude airspace. The eVertiSKY software-defined airspace platform helps urban planners develop their urban air mobility ecosystems with operational, logistical, and flight data valuable to the real-world urban air mobility commercial operations such as first response, delivery, and passenger scenarios. The eVertiSKY tool's capabilities and resources are concentrated in our City Urban Air Mobility Feasibility and Activation Study, which defines the best-suited vertiport locations and related airspace structures along with the routes based on existing ground arteries, population density, and access to existing transportation systems. The eVertiSKY suite of UAM tools streamline the development process, beginning with the City Template Planning tool, a dashboard for planning and simulation of urban air mobility ecosystems and data-driven selection of location, ground space, and airspace assets. The City Template also features important data made available through the Urban Air Mobility kernel, such as locations of other vertiport routes and the selection of various aircraft and operators. The City Sim app uses the software-defined airspace kernel data to empower planners to conduct use case simulations in preparation for the activation of the UAM ecosystem.